Good morning, class. In the previous lesson, we have learned about the 7 steps of the digestive system. First, you chew your food. Then it goes down all the way down to your esophagus, then into your stomach. We've come to know that digestion of food begins in the mouth. The food mixes with saliva from salivary gland around the mouth and face to make it moist and easy to swallow. These are the location of salivary glands. We've also come to know about esophagus, a muscular tube that takes the food from the throat and pushes it down through the neck and into the stomach. Now today we'll be learning a very important term that is known as peristalsis. So the food that is present inside our mouth, it is known as bolus. So what is peristalsis? It moves the food by waves of muscle contraction called peristalsis. When the food is passing from the throat and pushes down through the neck into the stomach, there's a contraction of muscles, and that waves are known as peristalsis. Next topic is the stomach. Now the food after passing through the esophagus, it reaches to the stomach. The stomach has thick muscles in its wall. This contract to mass the food into a water soup called chyme. The bolus, now when it reaches to the stomach, it changes to chyme. The stomach lining produces strong digestive juices. A simple example would be hydrochloric acid or HCl. The stomach doesn't digest itself because it has a protective layer of mucus lining the walls. So there are plenty of mucus that is present in the lining of the walls of the stomach. Mucus means a watery fluid. Now in today's lesson, this is the question that you need to do. Describe the third stoppage of the digestive system with the help of a diagram. So any diagram, whichever you find it easier, please do it. Now in today's lesson, we have learned about a very important term that is known as peristalsis. It moves food by waves of muscle contraction. The stomach has thick muscles in its wall. This contract to mass the food into water soup called chyme. The bolus that passes from the mouth, and when it reaches to the stomach, the bolus now it changes to watery soup that is known as chyme. The stomach has presence of a digestive juice that is known as hydrochloric acid. The stomach doesn't digest itself because it has a protective layer of mucus lining the walls. So class, this is all we'll be learning for today.